Hi guys, if you are looking to elevate your fish fry game and bring the authentic fiery flavors of Goa straight into your kitchen, then you are landed on the perfect video. Today we are diving head first into a Goan classic that's simply irresistible, Recheado Pomfret fry. This isn't just any fish fry. Recheado literally means stuff in Portuguese, and we are talking about a secret Goan masala, a pungent, spicy and tangy paste that coats every inch of succulent pomfret, infusing it with an explosion of flavors. It's crispy on the outside, incredibly juicy on the inside and utterly addictive. So now let's begin. So first take one pomfret, also known as pamphlet in Goa. Then simply cut and clean the fish as shown. Then simply slit the fish in the middle, just above the bone. Do exactly how it is shown, but be very careful while doing it. So the fish is nicely washed and cleaned now. Then add some salt to taste. Apply on both the sides. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and nicely rub the fish, even on the inside. Then marinate the fish for about 15 minutes. Then to make the Recheado masala for the fish fry, take the mixer jar and add 7 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 1 small lime-sized tamarind, half teaspoon black peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 onion sliced and fried until dark brown, 10 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons Goan vinegar. Then add half cup water, add more if required. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the Goan Recheado masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Consistency and the thickness of the masala is perfect. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 tablespoons Goan Recheado masala which was previously made. And then simply fry the masala for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame, until the spices and chilies are nicely cooked. Then add some salt to taste. Add a pinch of stock cube and cook it for about 2 minutes. As you can see that the masala is nice and thick now. Then leave it aside and allow it to cool down slightly. Then take the marinated fish, and simply stuff the fish with Goan Recheado Masala. And also apply the masala on the fish. And make sure to gently rub the fish. Then in a hot pan add oil. And simply fry the fish until it is nice and golden brown. Make sure the flame is on medium to low, or else the masala will burn. Then cook it similarly on the other side. So the Goan Pomfret Recheado fish fry is ready. Then simply serve the fish with sliced onion, some sliced cucumber, some sliced tomatoes, and a slice of lime. And there you have it guys, your incredible, authentic, perfectly spiced Goan Recheado Pomfret fish fry. Just look at that golden red crust and imagine the burst of those amazing Recheado flavors with every bite. This is truly Goa on a plate, right here in your kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.